Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today is day 7 in Spiti. Right now we have started our journey from Pin Valley at somewhere around 5 a.m. in the morning, and right now we have just halted out to take our breakfast at this spot. As you can see at my back, that is the key monastery. So the total distance between Pin Valley and Chandratal, it's somewhere around 110 kilometers. So if we are starting right now, we have already crossed Kaza now, and we should be reaching somewhere around 3 or 4 o'clock, or max to max if there is too much water crossing, we would be reaching somewhere around 5 or 6. So let's go.
Hey, I think she knows it, but I'm sure it out. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it out. So shimmy out, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you just let me. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let this moment. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over.
Hey guys, so after that amazing road trip, we are finally at the Kunzum top now, which is more than 15,000 feet above sea level, and it is also started to rain now. So we will be right away heading off towards Chandratal, because there would be more chances of water crossing as it has started to rain. It is freaking cold right now, so let's go. Hey guys, till about 2.5 kilometers the vehicle would be dropping you, but after that you need to start the trek. It is not a difficult trek. As of now we have started the trekking and we have walked till around 10 minutes. Someone would be there. and the summit is always worth the climb. And in this case, the summit is this beautiful Chandratal Lake, which we have reached over right now. We are having a night accommodation at the camp, which is at the base itself. So after our trek, this is the beautiful blue water lake that you get to see after that hard climb at the place where the altitude is very high and the oxygen level is also very low. Obviously, the Pangong Lake has no kind of any competition with respect to the beauty, but this lake is also one of the best lakes that I have ever visited. So we are going to spend some time over here right now. It is only 3 o'clock. We have the entire evening with us. So I'll be taking some time lapses as well as you can enjoy these underwater shots. So let's go. While we were about to leave, we met a group of scientists who were from the fishery department and who were trying to see whether these fish can survive in the lake like Chandratal. On a weekly basis, they are going to check whether these fish are able to sustain these kind of environment and the kind of temperature. At the very end of the campsite, we were staying into this kind of tent, a very basic deluxe tent with all the basic amenities, 4 windows on the side with a net system and a very cozy bed. The bathrooms were pretty basic enough too. Just there was no electricity at all, but in a place like Chandratal, it should not be expected either. Hey guys, so that is all for day 7 in Spiti. We have just returned back to our tent now and it is raining outside and the temperature is only 2 degrees right now. It is freezing cold. We are just going to have our dinner now. So as you saw, it is one of the most beautiful lake that I have ever seen, and I hope you must have liked the time lapse as well as the underwater shots. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and as always, keep traveling.